my name is Ngân. I'm in class D2 try tell you about my tree colors. Tree give us fruit, OC, and hood. We use fruit to eat, OC to live, and hood to buy, build something. Hood, we can use hood to make paper, house, chairs, desk, and chair. We should plant tree, take care of rainforest and water tree. We shouldn't burn tree or chairs. Any um, everywhere and cut down tree. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.